Hey, Rena, have you done the homework for English class?
Oh no, I totally forgot. Is it the one about writing a short paragraph?
Yes, I finished it last night. Want me to help you?
Really? You're a lifesaver. The teacher will be angry if I don't submit it.
Here, look at my notebook. But don't copy everything, okay?
Don't worry, I'll change some words. You're the best.
Shh! The teacher's coming.
Oh no! Pretend we're reading.
Did you finish your homework in time?
Yeah, just before the teacher came in. I almost got caught.
Lucky you. Now pay attention or you'll get another question.
Okay. But I hope she doesn't ask me to read my paragraph.
Ha ha ha! You never know. Be ready.
If she asks me, I'll just say, "Sorry, my handwriting is too bad to read."
That's not an excuse.
I know, but it might work.
Phew, that was close. I thought she was going to ask me to read my paragraph. Ha ha, you were so nervous. Your face was red. Well, I didn't even understand half of what she explained. Same here, but at least I took notes. Can I borrow your notes later? I promise I'll return them. You always say that. Last time, you returned it after a week. Okay, I'll return it tomorrow. By the way, wanna grab some snacks after class? Sure. Let's go before the canteen gets crowded. Wow, it's so crowded today. Everyone's hungry.
I told you, if we came earlier, we wouldn't have to wait this long.
Yeah. So what are you getting?
Maybe fried rice and an iced tea. You?
I want some noodles and a chocolate drink. I'm craving something sweet.
You and your sweet tooth.
Oh, it's our turn.
Hi, Boudet. 2 plates, please. 1 fried rice, 1 noodles.
Okay, coming right up. It smells so good already. I'm starving.
Same. Let's sit near the window. It's not too noisy there.